Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to use and declare enum or enumeration data type or data structure in C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. Kindly check the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's get started. I do some research in Google. So what is enum or enumeration in C? Enumeration or enum in C is a special kind of data type defined by the user. It consists of constant integrals or integers that are given names by a user. The use of enum in C to name the integer values makes the entire program easy to learn, understand, and maintain by the same or even different programmer. So basically, to make the explanation easier to understand, so this kind of data type make our programs more readable, and easy to maintain by the programmer or different developers who will maintain the code. Okay, so let us go to our Dev C++, IDE or Integrated Development Environment. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video about enum. So I'm using Dev C++ in writing this program. I guess it will work also in code blocks in other C or C++ compilers. So we have here sharp include stdio.h for input output. So we have also int main, it is the starting point of every C program. We have here line number 4, we have the curly bracket, left curly bracket. So we have here the declaration of enum. In this example, I'm using month. January represented by index 0, February and March. So January index 0, February index 1, March index 2. So we have here the title, enum program demonstration, \t. If month equals 0, the value will be January. Else if month equals 1, it becomes February. If month equals 2, month is March. New line here, and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended. We have also new line, and then 23, we close our program with the right curly bracket in line 23. Okay, so let us go to execute, compile and run. So we have here the output. So the month is March. Okay, and program demonstration, the month is March and a program. Why? Because we have here specify the value here. Okay, that is March. Okay, so we have here 2 March. Okay, so if I will change this one to February, Control S to save, compile and run, the month is February. So as you can see, it is very easy to maintain the program. We just follow this one and then this one, and then when it will encounter index 2, 1, we have the February. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to declare and use enum or enumeration data type in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next button. Don't forget to like, share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So thank you so much for your all support. So see you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.